up, boys? I'm with the boy Dylan, his backpack. We're headed to meet up with Justin, the homie with the new 650R, and Kyrie, and Kyrie's got a couple of friends coming out. What's up? Alright. We're gonna stop at Wally World. Dylan's keys won't come out of his fucking ignition, so we're gonna get some graphite lube. Little bro cannot get his keys out of the bike. It's kind of a problem when bro can't get his...
Hell no, man.
Can't get his gas open, you know? This fucking guy, so unprepared. Homie doesn't have his gloves on. Mine are ripping. I need new ones, but I actually really like these. I think I might just get another pair or reach out to Revit and see if they'll warranty them, you know? Because I've literally had these gloves for like, I don't know, 3 months or something. But they're really sick. Revit Urban gloves, I think is what they're called. They have padding in the fists and in the hands. And they work with my phone, so. Yeah. I know, little bro. Oh yes sir. Thank you. What a homie. So we got Dylan's key out. It wasn't too bad. We just hit it with they didn't have graphite lube, so we hit it with some silicone lube, and I finessed that bitch out of there. So he's good on gas. I'm pretty sure I could get it out again if I needed to. We're headed to the mall now, headed to the outlets. Should be a good ride, taking one of the few curvy roads that we have. The school zone, Kyrie. No, bro. Not in the school zone, man. Come on. I think it's unmanned, but I'm not sure. He was ripping though, bro. Not in the school zone. Alright, boys, we are headed out. It is hot as hell today, man. You know, yeah, it sucks that it's hot out, but man, I'm happy to be out during the day. Finally. We're going to pick up Dylan's ignition and then we're going to head out to Joel's crib. It's always something with these fucking bikes, man. Buy an old bike, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Oh my god, bro. Yes, sir, baby. Let's go. Okay, okay. The Wheelie sensei is coaching me. He said, just lean back, bro. Just lean back. Oh my god, bro. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, man. Feels fucking good, dude. Holy shit. Sorry, boys. I know it's not much, but man, it feels good when you pop it up and you can ride it a little bit. We're gonna pick up this ignition and head out to Joel's. I'll pick you boys up in a bit. Alright, Dylan dropped his backpack off. Buddy is solo now, cranking fucking wheelies. What a fucking menace. He's fucking nice with it now, man. He's been practicing, putting in the work. Yes, sir! It comes up so easy on his power wheelies, man. He just cranks the fucking throttle and that bitch comes right up. is a cop over there. We just finished up Dylan's bike. That's gonna be it for this one, boys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have an outstanding day, and I'll catch you boys in the next one. Peace, peace!